Yes, good day everyone. Today we are going to look at how we can insert table of contents like this in our Microsoft Word document. So we're going to start with our document. We have a document here which is already typed. It is a report from a certain student from Makerere. So this document is the copy we are going to use as a sample to illustrate to you how we can insert table of contents. So first of all, we need to know what table of contents are. A table of contents is a list of the main subject headings or subheading of a document. So the table of contents are widely used when you're writing reports, project proposals, textbooks, and other long administrative and research documents. So we may not find the table of contents in articles that appear in periodicals. So the table of contents are typically appear at the top or near at the beginning of a document or a book after the title of the copyright pages. So with our document here, we can see that we already have a document with page numbers, executive summary, chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2. So we don't have a table of contents in this document. So let us see. So we're going to insert an automatic table of content. So first of all, let us first select where we're going to put our table of content. It should be below the acknowledgement, below the acronyms. So before the executive summary is where we're going to put our table of content. So we put our table of contents above our executive summary. So let me move it up a bit. Now to insert a table of content, what we do, we are going to go to a tab called let me refresh a bit. My computer is freezing. Sorry for that. Yes. So we're going to go to a tab called references. So in references, so with our cursor here, I'll go to the tab called references, then we click on table of contents. So I'll have the automatic table 1, we have automatic table 2, we have the manual table, but we're going to use the automatic ones. So we're going to use, let us use this automatic table 2, table of contents with heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so on. So when I click on this, we shall see that table of content has appeared, but with no content down. So you can see creating a table of contents, telling us creating a table of content, start by applying a heading style from the styles gallery to the selected text. So what they are trying to say is this. So we're going to go back to the home tab. So we're going to put each and every heading or subheading that you want to appear in the table of contents, so that we put it under heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to go back to the home tab. So when you go to the home tab, we're going to select each and every heading that we want to appear in our table of contents. So when we click on a certain table, when we click on the heading or subheading, we are going to put it under heading 1 here. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So let us start with let me see the cover. So this is our cover. Now let me go to declaration. We select declaration and we put it under heading 1. We go to the next page, acknowledgement. We put it under heading 1. We go to list of acronyms. We put it under heading 1. We'll continue table of content. Now we go to executive summary. Should start on a fresh page. We should put it on a fresh page. Now let us also select it, put it under heading 1. Now we go to the next page, which is chapter introduction. We put these two under heading 1. Now when we reach the subheadings, like this organization background, we can also put it under, heading 2. Get it? So we click on heading 2 for organization background, even this objective and mandate, we put them under heading 2. So you have to do that to every heading or subheading that you want to appear on the table of content. So we go to chapter 2. Let's put it on the second at the start of the page. So we select these two, we put them under heading 1. We go to this under heading 2. So this should be under heading 3 because it is a subheading of duties and responsibilities. Then we go to these two, should also be under heading 3. We continue. We have more heading 3. This one should also fall under heading 3. This one you select them, then you put them under heading 3 at once. So we're going to end from there. Then now we are going to go back to where we put our table of content, which is here. So what we just have to do is to right click in this space here. So after right clicking, then we click on update field. So when we click on update field, our table of content will automatically be generated. So we have to do some editing by bringing back some of the content which has gone down. So whenever we do some editing, we have to come back and right click, then we say update field, then we update the entire table, then we click OK. So our page numbers will be updated. So that is how we can insert table of contents in our report, proposal, and other academic documents. So thank you for watching. We'll meet again next time. Thank you.